The Hudson Motor Car Company was once a leading name in the American automotive world, with some of its models becoming legendary. From its step-down design that gave the iconic Hornet its sharp handling and racing success to the beloved Pacemaker, Hudson was an innovator. The Hornet made waves in the racing world, but today, many enthusiasts forget the short-lived Pacemaker. Despite its brief run, one well-preserved 1951 Hudson Pacemaker has now been brought back to life as a hot rod, and it's up for grabs with a big V8 surprise under the hood. Introduced in 1939 to replace the Terraplane, the Hudson Pacemaker had a rough ride in terms of longevity. The model was discontinued after just a year, though Hudson revived it from 1950 to 1952 as an entry-level full-size car. Sold alongside the Hornet and the Wasp, the Pacemaker was powered by a 232 cubic inch inline-six, which wasn't exactly groundbreaking, but it provided a smooth ride. Unfortunately, its sales figures dipped over time, and production was eventually cut short, leaving us with fewer examples on the road today. Fast forward to now, and finding a well-preserved Pacemaker is rare. It's far more likely to see one in a junkyard than at a car show. But, to our delight, a rare survivor has surfaced for sale via garage-kept motors. While this hot rod Pacemaker retains some of its original charm, there's a huge surprise waiting under the hood. The original inline-six engine has been replaced by a powerful 327 cubic inch V8. The exterior of this Pacemaker may look relatively stock, with the classic chrome trim, round mirrors, and sun visor above the windshield, adding to the vintage appeal. However, it also features some distinctive custom touches, including old-school flames painted across the pearl white body, a unique feature you wouldn't expect to see on a 1950s Hudson. Despite the flames, the exterior is in remarkable shape, especially considering its hot rod status. It's clear that whoever worked on the car didn't want to alter the classic look too much, ensuring the car still evokes that vintage feel. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that has seen better days, but still maintains its original charm. The upholstery is cracked in spots, fixed temporarily with tape, yet the cabin remains a time capsule of Hudson's design from the era. The dashboard includes all the original features of a 1951 Pacemaker, adding to the sense of nostalgia. But the true magic happens when you pop open the hood. Gone is the original inline-six, replaced by a beefy 327 cubic inch V8. This modernized engine packs a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, ceramic-coated headers, and a mild camshaft, all finished in a striking metallic orange. While there are no official figures on the horsepower, it's safe to assume that this V8 delivers far more power than the original engine's modest 112 horsepower. Mated to a 700R4 automatic gearbox and a 9-inch Ford rear end with 3.01 gears, this combination makes the Pacemaker much quicker than it ever was in stock form. While the history of the Pacemaker may not be as widely known as some of Hudson's other models, this modified 1951 example brings the name back into the spotlight. The combination of classic styling with modern performance upgrades creates a truly exciting package for collectors and car enthusiasts alike. With a price tag of $44,900, it's certainly not the cheapest classic car out there, but for a V8-powered Hudson with a rich history, it might just be worth the investment. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of Hudson history, now revived and ready to roar with a V8 punch. The 1951 Hudson Pacemaker may not have been the most famous model in Hudson's lineup, but this hot rod example proves it still has plenty of life and excitement left in it.